I'll answer that with a question for you, Mike. Do you remember Power Builder from the 90s?
Yeah.
Do
Yeah.
you
Okay.
remember Microsoft Light Switch from like the 20 teens, I think?
Yeah, I get it. A
Uh,
front
uh,
page, right?
yeah, right. There's a lot of different things out there. So um, I call that the golden unicorn, right? That's folks have wanted that for like it seems like
Forever.
thousands of years yet. For now,
Yeah.
right? Yeah. Can I kind of simplify things and just let a person who's not really technical kind of build some stuff and put it together, right? Whether that's Visual Basic for applications and an old Access database or whatever, right? You kind of put a front end,
Yeah.
you're right. you know,
Right.
a lot of those tools have been around for a long time, and some things they do pretty well,
Oh,
right?
okay. Right.
Yeah, right. So some of those use cases I think have been solved, but um,
Yeah,
realistically, yeah,
like a basic storefront web page,
yeah,
right?
you can go
You
to
can do
Squarespace or
that
whatever, right? Yeah,
in
and
an hour
yeah,
without any technical expertise. Just hop on Wix
yeah,
and
Wix.
you
Mhm.
can plug in your products and make a good web page. You need graphics or whatever, probably.
Yeah,
And but that's maybe a good example of something that in the early days in 1999 or
yeah,
so, right?
right.
Right, you had to have that was a 10 man team
It
probably,
was
right?
non-trivial, right? Yeah, for sure.
And now it's not, right? So uh and I guess the devil's in the complexity, right?
Yeah,
So and you have an application that hits 10 other APIs and
yeah,
10 other web services, and you have an authentication layer. You have multiple authentication layers.
yeah.
Um,
And how many
and
devices, right? Are you going to
right.
distribute it to a watch? You're going to distribute it to a phone for your front end. Yeah, it starts to get complicated pretty fast if you're talking like enterprise class,
Enterprise,
stuff,
right?
right?
When
Yeah,
you're talking enterprise, it gets complicated. So that's kind of probably one of the last things for testing too. Is like mobile is you can't simplify
yeah.
all the diversity in mobile easily,
There's a lot of
you know?
diversity. Yeah,
So uh there's is mobile still complicated, and
right.
it's still hard to get right easily. So
Yeah,
yeah, okay. All right.
yeah, for sure. So back to your original question, yeah, I think we'll see a lot of advancements in that. Like even today, Microsoft Copilot can take a PDF or a data dump or something and generate a PowerPoint for me pretty well in just a matter of minutes, right? Whereas that might take me, I'm not a PowerPoint guy, maybe 6 hours to do, right? So I think we'll see some of those more simplified task based things be optimized. But um, I don't know, a lot of the AI and tools that I see out there, you got hallucination and all these kinds of things that you have to kind of watch out for